Hello everyone, this is the second devlog about the game Indigno that I'm building for a game jam. First of all, in the last I said that I will put some buildings in the map and finish the map. I just ended to finish the streets and the main buildings of the game. Also, I add some sewers that will be part of the game mechanics. As I said before, this is a stealth game. So you have to move around the city and get into the main buildings without being noticed. I will talk more about the enemies in the next devlog. But for now, what I did here. I add the map, the main buildings, the walls, and also the nav mesh for the enemies to walk around. And also the NPCs to walk around. There are gonna be a lot of NPCs here. We're still missing some details, like will be some statues in the middle and some trash cans, and in the alleys will be some places to hide and something like that. It's still missing, but I will add soon. And probably this week I'm gonna start working on the art and the cutscenes of the game, and also on the character. It's still just placeholders here. Now let me show something. It is still without the post process. I will add some, but we have here the entrance for the sewer. I add also this indicator of action. When you click it, we will be transported to the underground. Now, when I transport to underground, the lights are off, so we need to use a flashlight to check out the underground. There is no light here, and there is no ambience lights. Source of light is your flashlight. There is some procedurally generated water effect here as well. It's pretty big. It's a pretty big sewer. It's like a maze. You need to crawl around to find the exit. This is gonna be the only way, the only safe way to get into the main buildings. There are two entrances on the streets, and also you get three entrances, one on each main building. So you're gonna need to pass through the sewers to complete the game. The main mechanic of the game is you have to go to the main buildings. Later, I'm gonna add the stages there you are in the main buildings, but you need to take down the buses in these main buildings. But probably you gonna die. There is no way you keep yourself alive entering the whole game. So you don't have lives in this game. What you have is characters. When one character die, the other one will start to take over. And so you're gonna use some kind of 10 characters to complete the whole objective of the game. So you start with one character, do what you have to do, probably you're gonna die, and then the other character assumes in the other place of the city to take care what you're gonna do. You have to use some strategy to that, to use a character to distract the guards to enter a place, or to obtain some item that probably you're gonna die if you obtain this item, and place somewhere in the city that other character will be able to get this item and to continue the mission. This is the main core mechanics for this game. And for now is that I probably on the next devlog I will show a little bit about the coding of the enemies, the site, and the coding of the NPCs as well. That's it. See you in the next video.